Our today's tutorial is about psychedelic art. So what is psychedelic art is a very common question, and many artists have different perception and different views about this psychedelic art. What's going on, everyone? So this is Sri from Doodler, and today I'm going to talk about psychedelic art. We will create something through mixed media and at the same time we'll explain what is psychedelic art. So without adding further ado, let's jump into the process. Let's come to the point about psychedelic art. So what is that? What is psychedelic art? I make a lot of psychedelic art, so it actually gives me kind of different, different perception about art and all those things, because I usually don't follow or don't try to follow the norms. I think psychedelic art is something which is out of the box and which can describe what is happening at this moment in your mind or in your body. Different artists have different view and perception about this psychedelic art, but when people ask me about this, like what do you think about what is psychedelic art, so I will say there is a thin line between dream, hallucination and psychedelic art. There is a connection also, according to many artists, there is a connection between hallucination and psychedelic art, because I have seen and I have listened to many people's story about this hallucination and psychedelic art is actually correlated, because many people has experienced this kind of hallucination and then they have projected it in their artwork and it is kind of a psychedelic. So people think that hallucination is somehow related to psychedelic thing. It is true maybe for some reason, and it is true for the dream as well. When we are when we see something in dream, some happy things or maybe some sad thing, or maybe we get scared about something, and if we want to execute those things on paper or with pen, brush and other art forms or mediums, then it happens. Then usually we portray the colors, the vibrant colors, and we portray the vibrant colors, and that is actually what is happening inside your brain at that moment. So psychedelic art is somehow related to this hallucination and dream, but it has some other perception as well. When people ask me do you hallucinate and then you do this kind of work, so I will rather say it is not related to hallucination all the time, but I will say what is happening exactly at this moment in my mind and in my body, and how my brains and my neurons and nerves are connected to so many factors at this moment, and the things which are going on in my mind, and I'm feeling like executing those things through colors on paper or through digital mediums, then I will choose psychedelic art, because an artist tries to execute his or her thoughts on paper through brush or through paints. So the first thing comes into their mind or his or her mind is the colors. So through colors you will be able to understand what is happening in their mind at this moment. Maybe if the colors are happy colors, the person is happy at this moment. If the colors is scary, it has some gruesome grudge in it, then the person may be sad or may be scared at that moment. So colors actually tell many things. Colors tell stories. So this is how I think that psychedelic art is something that projects what is happening at this moment in someone's brain or someone's mind or someone's body. Usually we use very vibrant colors for this kind of psychedelic art, like magenta, cyan, and yellow, green, all the vibrant colors, and we mix it together and give it such a look that when you will look at that art, you will feel that mental stimulation, that mind stimulation, and it will give you such kind of it can give you kind of a hallucination or kind of a like dizzy feeling, like what is happening in my brain. So that's what psychedelic art is. This is the final output we got from this psychedelic art, and as you can see, I have used many kind of things on this mixed media. Like, first of all, I have painted something and on paper, and then I have mixed it with some digital digital elements, like something I did on Illustrator and then on Photoshop, and then this is the final look of the artwork, and it can give you that kind of mental stimulation as well. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you have liked and enjoyed this video, and if you have enjoyed this video, please give you a comment and feedback in the comment section, and let me know what you feel about this psychedelic art, and if you have any other suggestion or perception about this kind of art, so you can also discuss about it and suggest me that. So be happy, be positive, be awesome, be creative, and I will see you in the next video. Until then,